Hey Zach and Jesse, this is Steve from Tokyo. Today I am at the Eneos Tomei Yokohama Interchange destination charger. This is off the Tomei Highway, and just like any other superchargers in Japan, we cannot build one on the on the highway, so we have ones just off the ramp. So this is one of those destination chargers that are off the ramp of Tomei Highway. This is a gas station, as you can see. And we have one stall, and that's the designated charging spot for electric cars. But all the employees here are not trained well enough, so they don't understand what the EV charging system is. And you have to explain to them that your car is an EV, you have to charge, and sometimes they even occupy this designated EV spot with ICE cars. So anyways, let's go take a look at the stall. So here's what the infrastructure looks like. This was not connected originally. It was just hanging from here, and this orange cable was not connected anywhere. So you have to couple this first and then slide this upwards so that you can have a firm connection. Plug your car in and press the green button to start. You get 48 amps at 200 volts, and let's see, that's about it. Just make sure you connect that one first. And let's see, amenity-wise, they have a vending machine, a table, a toilet. Probably no free Wi-Fi here, but at least you do get to charge your tires with air. That's it from the Eneos Tomei Interchange destination charger. Bye.